flows east, the blend of primary becomes secondary, red and yellow become orange, yellow and blue become green. This is the function of levee, creation of color as river moves over stones. Where the river eddies in the swirl, where kayaks hope not to tangle, are remnants of last night's party. Barbecued pork rinds mingled with burnt twigs. Underfoot is a crush of rock that is trail. My boots, thick-soled, can scale the opposite bank. I can pull myself up by saplings that know there is water, that have roots enough to get me to a place where I can see the murals, not in reflection, but as if atop the horse Lady Godiva strides that's next to the rendition of Joan of Arc. Even with the smell of algae, I want to drink of the river, submerge myself hidden in a cluster of trees, know that as I arch my back to rinse hair of debris, green will trickle into my mouth. I stumble down the wooded bank, take off boots and orange ring socks, watch paintings for what could be the last time, while feet whiten cold and stiff in the river from a slip of rock that extends into the Arkansas on its way to Kansas.
Hee-haw.
Woo!
Wow, that's fabulous.